Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Windows search crashes, freezes, or is just generally not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility scan. And then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that one's done running, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and go paste it into the command prompt as well. And once that's done, restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem with the Windows search crashing, freezing, or not responding properly. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.